In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Attio to ChatGPT. To get started, open ChatGPT and look to the bottom left corner of the screen. That's where you'll find your profile area. Go ahead and click on it. This section gives you access to your account options and app settings, and it's the starting point for connecting external tools like Attio. Once the menu opens, click on Settings. Inside Settings, you'll see a variety of options related to your account, preferences, and connected features. What you want here is the Apps section, so choose Apps to continue. This is where ChatGPT lets you manage integrations and discover new tools that can work alongside your account. From the Apps area, click on Explore Apps or Add More, depending on the version of the interface you're seeing. The wording may vary slightly, but both options take you to the same place, the App Marketplace or App Discovery section. This is where you can browse and search for supported integrations. When you're in that section, look for the search field, click into it and type Attio. As you type, the app should appear in the results. Once you see Attio, click on it to open its app page. This page usually gives you a quick overview of what the integration does, so it can be helpful to take a moment and confirm that you've selected the correct app before moving forward. Next, click Connect. This begins the process of linking Attio with ChatGPT. Depending on your account setup and the current version of the integration, you may be asked to follow a few on-screen instructions to complete the connection. For example, you might need to approve permissions or sign into Attio if prompted. Just follow the instructions shown on your screen carefully and complete each part of the authorization process. After that, the app should be connected, and that's it. Attio is now linked to ChatGPT. A quick tip before you finish: if the app doesn't appear right away, try refreshing the page or searching again to make sure the marketplace has fully loaded. Also, if you're using a workspace or managed account, some app connections may depend on your organization's permissions. Once connected, you can return to your apps section anytime to confirm that Attio is active. And that's all you need to do to connect Attio to ChatGPT.